So today on Project Shop, we're going to be looking at some SO cable. This is basically extension cord or whatnot. I got some pretty heavy duty stuff here. And if you take a look at this one, this actually has, pretty sure that's #1 copper in it. Most of the time SO cable is going to be #2 copper because it's basically like welding cable. So you have to get the coil out of there. You know, you're double insulated, and the fastest way that I found to do this, you could do it a couple ways. If you have long runs, you could strip the outer case, put the end in the vise, run it back with a drill to unwind it, or I like to just cut it in lengths about that long. So you got these long pieces, you just take them, cut them down to size, right? About as long as your arm span. So this stuff can be kind of tedious when dealing with, but if you get a good little system, if you got 2 people, it'll go way faster. So what you want to do is get the case off. That one came right off. Wow. That one just fell off. Now, fastest way I found to do this is to grab it by the middle somewhere, and try not to let them tangle each other up, but you could just pull them apart like that, right? And then you run them through the machine. Oh, that might have been the wrong hole. Well, that's good enough. And then just peel it off the backside. Now we're squeezing that a little hard, but this SO cable is like a fine line between it cutting through there and it not. Let's grab another piece here, see where we're at. A nice long thing here. Now we could just run this whole thing through and then come back and cut it later, but if you have someone helping you, just do this. There you go. That's a little different cable there. Your foot's always a good source. It's got 4 cables. You grab that in the middle, it'll untwist itself. See that? So you don't have to sit there and try to untwist it and then run it in that one. Just run that wire. And there you have it. Try that piece. It's a little bit longer. Oh, it's coming right off. Look at that. Bang. Now this one here, just find that. See that? As long as you keep them away from each other. Let me see if I can't just step on that. That thing should unwind itself pretty good. You get a little long, see? And then you do the same thing. And just like anything in scrapping, if you got 2 people, it goes way faster. There you go. Have someone back here on the back side, you could pretty much almost strip this fast regular wire. Now if you got if you don't have a wire stripper, it's going to be a little more tedious. And with that SO cable, let's see if I got my knife. see if we could do a little piece by hand here. Now the SO cable, man, it's going to want to dig in. You know, a razor blade. This is kind of sticking to my pants. But the fillet knife works pretty good for this too. Get that out of there. And then you could just run that. Just like that. A razor blade definitely dig right into that. Bend it and twist it in the middle. And there you go. Let's do another piece. Man, that almost felt like number one. Yeah, that's number two. Now, I don't recommend doing this with a razor blade at all. You know, up here on your leg. But this works pretty good. And there you go. You can sit there and do that. And then look at this. That's some big old cable. That's the biggest SO cable I've ever seen. That don't even fit in my wire stripper. I can't open that enough to run that, so I would have to run that. See, that would be razor blade material. See, this stuff here, this is so thick. You gotta have the right tool for the job. And sometimes a razor blade is the right tool for the job. Oh man, that's tough. Let's see what we got here. Man. Okay. Is there even copper in that? What is that? Look at that. That's crazy. Some big old chunks. There's a little light flimsies in there. And nope, that's not even copper. Look at that. So that's just garbage. Let's see what we got here. Definitely number two. This is tin coated. There you go. Yeah, that would. Yeah, that's still. Well, that could have been number one if it wasn't tin coated. But yeah, there you have it. So it's not too bad, and most of the time this SO cable, especially this bigger stuff, is definitely worth stripping. So if you come this far, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more pro tips. I'll tell you where we're going, right to the scrap yard. Dancing. You ever seen your copper dance before?